Today, I'm talking about a quick and easy recipe. You can see at the heading, dog sauce. Yeah, you could put this on fish, wings. I love Oriental stir fries, and they have a sauce called a duck sauce. It's kind of sweet and tangy. Yeah, this is like this, except it's got more attitude. So let's get to the recipe. I've got some chicken here. Had it fried up. I've actually had this frozen. Thawed it out. I got a video on how I make real southern fried chicken in a cast iron skillet. Let's get down here and get this party started. I got the chicken and my wings. Got a couple of legs here. Got my steak fries. I've got those heated up. So what we're going to do is take 1 tablespoon of Camp Dog. This is Louisiana Red. It is so good. Oh my goodness, it's good stuff. It has a wonderful taste. It has a wonderful smell. So we're going to put a total of 2 tablespoons. Of the red. He makes a jalapeno. I've not tried it yet, but I bet you it would give it a little bit more attitude. I say you can use this on French fries and just shoot just about anything. And I'm going to take let's see, my eyes are here, half a teaspoon. Get it out there in a minute. Of light brown sugar. Into my mixture, into the pool, and you just stir this around. It doesn't take long, and that hot sauce will dissolve that light brown sugar. And oh my goodness, what a flavor. I love Camp Dog Red, but it takes it to the sweet taste that I like. I love a wing sauce that's a little bit hot and sweet. Alright, she's ready. And we're not through with this yet. Get this over here so you can see it. Let's put a little dog sauce on this wing. You may want to add more or less. This is really good stuff. Got my wings coated. You see, I don't have anything on my potatoes yet, but I'm going to. Just hold on. Let's get these wings tasted for you. This is just regular chicken. No heat put in, no cayenne pepper in the batter. Just regular old fried chicken. So let's get a bite. Let's get a bite of this little boy right here, this little leg. My mouth is watering. My goodness, that's good. That's so good. That gets all the check marks for a wing sauce, if you like sweet and spicy. Dog sauce, it's kind of like me, sweet and spicy. Yeah, you got it. Let me get another bite. You know why I'm gonna get another bite? Because this stuff is so good. All right, let me show you what the other mixture is. And you could put this Camp Dog red. You could put more brown sugar in it to make it sweeter, or less brown sugar to make it more spicy and tart. And you can use this Camp Dog just by itself on chicken. It's really good. If you like a sweet wing sauce, that's easy for me to say, use this recipe. So what I've got here, I've got about a tablespoon of ketchup. I love spicy ketchup. I love the Whataburger spicy ketchup. I love spicy ketchup, and I love Whataburger ketchup, the spicy ketchup. So what I'm going to do is take this Camp Dog and put about a quarter spoon. You can do whatever you want. Get your mixture, whatever you like. You could actually add some brown sugar to this. Ketchup's already sweet. All right. And I'm going to tell you that the spicy ketchup is expensive for some reason. So, let me get a fork here. Put some ketchup on my fries here, my steak fries. I've always liked spicy foods, and I've always been adventurous to eating stuff. So, trust me, this is good stuff. All right, let's get a bite of this spicy ketchup made with Camp Dog on this steak fry. It's gonna be good. That is so good. Such a wonderful flavor. I hate to leave this half of this tater down here by itself. Dog sauce video out of here.